Welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. We're so glad you joined Pam and I today in the kitchen. And you know who's behind the camera? No one. That's okay. Today we have a fantastic recipe for you. It's called shrimp and butter beans.
Yum.
We've already made the shrimp stock.
Yep, and it smells good.
And so the only thing we need to do now is fry the bacon.
We'll fry the bacon, and when the bacon is just about nice and crispy, we're going to go ahead and add our onions and celery and our little vegetables and saute that down. And then everything else goes in the pot, so it doesn't take that long. So
It's really an easy recipe.
It is.
And we've already soaked the butter beans.
We did.
They're kind of tender.
Mm-hmm.
And everything is pretty much prepared, you know, mise en place. That's what Frank used to say, mise en place.
Everything in its place.
Frank Davis, by the way, because I used to cook with him on WWL TV. It was a lot of fun.
Yep.
You did too.
Our good buddy, Frank.
Yep.
Yes.
Anyway, let's get started.
I'm going to start by putting my little strips of bacon. And we're just going to fry these up till they're just a little crisp. And when these are done, we're going to set them aside, take them out, set them aside, and in the bacon grease, we're going to go ahead and saute our celery and our onions and our garlic. And then we'll be ready to put the rest of the dish back together, and it's going to be really, really good. Well, our bacon's almost there. Not quite yet. Give it another minute or two. We're going to take the bacon out, set it aside, and we're going to use the delicious bacon grease. And if it's not enough, I'll add a little olive oil to saute our veggies. Our bacon is nice and crisp. And you know what? We have a lot of nice, delicious bacon grease in there, so I'm not going to add anything else to that. But we're going to saute our vegetables now. So we have our onions. Celery. Our green onions. And we're going to saute those down a little bit, just till they get a little soft. Ooh, and all those little crispies for the bacon is going to come off the bottom of the pot, and it's going to be really, really good. So let me cook these just a little bit till they get soft, and the rest of the dish will come together so quick you're not going to believe it, and you're not going to believe how good it is. Our veggies are nice and soft now, and they smell wonderful, so we're going to start adding our delicious little baby lima beans. And we've got our thyme and our basil and our garlic. Bay leaves. And our reserved bacon. I'm going to stir all that together. Get all those flavors in there. We have our seafood stock right here that we made. We already did a video on that. You're going to have to check it out. But this is what you really need to make this taste fantastic. But we already heated it, but you need to stir it because there's all delicious little tasties at the bottom. You just want to make sure it's mixed really well. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Let me see if I can do it without spilling it. Whew. Hot pot. Smells wonderful. Now we're going to go ahead and stir this up. We're going to bring it up to a nice simmer, and we're going to put the lid on, and we're going to let it simmer for about an hour, and then we're going to come back and check to see how tender our beans are. Hi, we have everything in the pot right now, and I just want to let you know everything was pre-measured, and the amounts will be listed in the description below, even the amount of stock that we used. So anyway, it's about to come up to a little simmer. We'll put the lid on, and after an hour, we're going to come back, and that's the final part right here. That's when we add our beautiful shrimp. That's the last step. So when it's all ready and we put it back in, we'll come back and let you see what it looks like. Our butter beans look great. We did test them after an hour, and we let them go for about another 20-25 minutes. They just needed a little bit more cooking time. So we tasted it, and now we're going to adjust the seasoning, and we're going to put about, I don't know, a tablespoon of a little seafood seasoning. Stir that in. Smells fantastic. I know this is going to be good anyway. And then we're going to fold our shrimp into the pot. Oh, it's going to be good. Just going to incorporate all the shrimp. We're going to bring this back up to a simmer, put the cover on, and it's only going to about maybe 15, 20 minutes, and it's going to be absolutely fantastic. So, looks great. So we'll put the lid on, and 15 to 20 minutes, it's going to be fantastic. We'll be back. Wow, this smells so good. It only took about another 15 minutes for the shrimp to cook, so we're going to plate it up. I would just wish that you could be here to just smell it, like smell-o-vision or whatever. I mean, it just smells so awesome. So we're going to make a little rice in our bowl, and we're going to serve us up some. And I wish you could be here with us to try this, because, I mean, this is crazy. Who ever heard of butter beans and shrimp? But this is so yummy. I'm not going to eat all this, but anyway. Decorate it a little parsley on top. And we have to have our hot sauce. This is our caliente hot sauce that we make here. This is our Tabasco pepper hot sauce that we make. And I have to have that on almost everything that I eat because it's so good. So, this is our beautiful plate of butter beans and shrimp. And I know it's going to be hot, but I'm going to try it. I wish you could be here to try it with me, but I mean, I'm going to try it. So, here we go. I'm going to burn my mouth. It's okay.
Well, we did it.
We did it.
It was a great dinner. You did a great job. And I cannot wait to dig in because I'm hungry too.
I know, I had a few tastes before he did, so it's very delicious.
Yeah, I cannot wait. So if you haven't ever tried butter beans and shrimp, give it a go. It's easy to do. And all the ingredients will be in the description of the video, like Pam said earlier. So, you know, just copy it and go to the grocery. Hey, you probably have half of whatever's in this thing anyway.
Right.
You know?
You ready?
Yeah. We're going in for a taste. Here we go. Oh, boy. Oh, my God, y'all. Woo!
Never thought I would think little butter beans and shrimp is so good, but it is delicious. It's yummy.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was getting ready to do a happy dance.
Anyway, it's very good. It's delicious. You need to try it.
Pam and I want to thank you guys for tuning in to the Sanders Kitchen. Hey, you're in our kitchen with us, and we love it. And we just want to say thank you so much for being here with us. And look, please, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up, like our video. Check out a few others too, you know.
Hit that notification bell.
That way you know when all the videos come out as soon as they do. You'll be first to know. I love being first to know.
That's right. Me too.
Anyway, it's been great having y'all with us. Give me a kiss.
Love you.
We love y'all.
And love y'all.
God bless you, okay? That's that, and then we're gonna, you know, and then, yeah.